Hello, and welcome to our Stitch Floating Mode video series. In this one-part series, How to Forward and Rewind an Embroidery Job, we will go over floating mode, which refers to fast-forwarding and rewinding a design. Let's jump right in. Let's start by taking a look at how to use float mode. This feature can only be accessed during embroidery status. This means the embroidery status icon must appear locked. To enter float mode, press the Stitch Floating Mode and Forward Settings key, represented by a zigzag line and a needle. The next icon will appear in the same location as FL, or the Float Low icon. FL represents floating in low-speed motion. To fast-forward a design, press the Start button until you reach the desired placement. Once you're there, press the Stop button. Tap on the Stitch Floating Mode icon 3 times until you reach the zigzag line. Now you can press the Start button. The machine will now start embroidering. FH represents floating in high speed. It works the same way, but faster. With this option, you can fast forward in a quicker speed. If you select the Stitch Floating Mode icon again, the Add option will appear. You have now entered manual mode. Here, you can travel to an exact point if you know the exact amount of stitches it will take to get to the desired placement. You can also subtract by stitch count. Under manual mode, you can also travel from one complete color sequence to the next, or reverse to a different color. Once you have reached the desired position, press the Stitch Floating Mode key again, and then press the Start button. Now you will learn how to rewind a current job. To rewind your design, press the Stop button, and let the machine back up until you've reached the desired area you want to restart from. Once it has reached that point, press the Stop button again to stop the machine from backing up further. Locate the switch on your machine's head and pull it down and then up. This will let the machine know you have reset it and want it to start embroidering in that specific location. Now you can press the Start button to resume sewing your design. Remember, if you forget to push the switch down and then back up, the machine's needle will not lower itself to begin stitching. Thank you for watching our Stitch Floating Mode video series. In the next video series, Overview, Full Design Process for Flats, you'll learn how to set your machine to begin embroidering flats. If you like what you see, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful information and tips.